of them. My name is Jitendra. I am from Pathshala. So today we are discussing about the topic we can also discuss that topic in a previous lecture. So today we have to left over there in the sum of the part, so we can discuss about in this video. So in this video is a number system we can also discuss. So here is the number system, some of the part we can discuss in a previous lecture. So today we are discussing is there in the left from the those of the topics is it here in the sub part of the number system, that is the sub parts. Here the number system, it's left over there in the integer, rational number and irrational number. Here is the sub part can be left over there. So first of all we have to revise from the previous lecture. Here the previous lecture we can discuss is a natural number, whole number and whole number sub part. That is the sub parts even number, odd number, prime number, composite number. All of them we have discussed in the previous lecture. So today lecture we have to discuss about there in the integer. So first of all we can written over there the integer. What it means integer? We can define integer. Integer is that number which can be represented on the number line. That number can also be a positive as well as the negative. It means we can also be represented on the number line. Here the line can be represented the positive value as well as the negative value. So positive value, that is my +4 as well as a negative value -4 as that are also called a integer. So we can discuss in here. So here the integer its a definitions. Integer is that number integer is that number and numbers which can be represented on the line. That number here that number is positive as well as the negative. That is, it means positive as well as the negative, that is 4, 6, 8, 10. It is the positive integer or -4, -6, -8, -10 negative integer. Both are is the integer represented on the number line. Here the number line, I can assuming this is the number line. Here we can origin 0, it means O whatever 0. Here can started from the it's a right side positive value and the left side is a negative value. It means we can represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So we can also be represented on this number. 4 is here, is the positive integer. 6 we can assuming from there, 5 or 6. So 6 is this and 8 whatever you have to given over this, so on. And -4 here, -6 as well, -8 we can also be represented on the number line. So here all about the integer. Here the number system. Number system is a natural, whole number, integer, rational, irrational number. So here is the subpart natural number. We can also be discussed about the previous lecture, and the whole number. Here is the subpart we can also discuss of the previous lecture. And integer, and the definition of integer. Integer is that number which can be represented on the number line. That number can also be a positive as well as the negative. Positive value as well as the negative value. We can also written over the value as well as the positive as well as the negative value can be represented on the number line. So the next number is a rational number. So rational number we can also be discussed in here. The rational number. So here is the rational number. A rational number are those number. Rational number are those number which can be in the form of p by q. A rational number are those number which is in the form of p by q, whereas q is not equal to 0. Here the sign is not equal to. It means here the number that can also be a p by q. Here the p is the numerator and q is the denominator. Here q, it means denominator cannot be a 0. Here the number 3 by 7. It is the rational number. But 3 by 0, here is it not the rational number. Why? Here is the condition. Here is the q is not equal to 0. That's why it is a rational number. If we can chosen over there in 3 by 0, it means it is a infinite. It means infinite. 3 by 0, it's not a solve finite value. It's a infinite or finite value. It cannot be solved. And other number is a irrational number. In this number, irrational number we can written over there. Irrational number. Here the irrational number is in the form of. Here the irrational number are those number which cannot be in the form of p by q. Here the number cannot be in the form of p by q. That number are also called the irrational number. Irrational number, it means here the value can be also be a √5, √3, √2. And one more point in the irrational number. Irrational number, here the, if we can taken over there in this value 3 by 2. If we can taken over there in 3 by 2, so what is this? Here is the 3 by 2. It is a proper fraction or not? It is not the proper fraction. Why? Here 3 by 2 is the here is the repeating number, can also be, it is a repeating number, can also be a rational number. It is a non-repeating number. It means whatever we can also be taken over the 1.999. Here is the rational number 1.99. but here is it 1.234. Here is the irrational number. It is the repeating number. It is not a repeating number. It is all over there in this number system. We can also be represented in the previous lecture. So today we are finished over there in the number system. So in the all over there in the all the students, if they can also query, they can also be ask to me a questions in the commenting box. So try to be understands and make sure you have to understand to all of these points. Thank you.